Good morning, students. You are welcome in the online science class of RPS group of schools, where we will continue our discussion on the topic nutrition in plants. First, let's recall the content previously taught in Module 4. There, we discussed about types of heterotrophic plants. Those were insectivorous plants, in which we studied about pitcher plant, sundew, and Venus flytrap. Then we discussed about symbiotic plants and their examples like lichens, mycorrhizal association, and association between Rhizobium and leguminous plants. Students, as we know, plants get their mineral nutrients from the soil. If plants are grown year after year, the soil will become poorer in such nutrients. So, if the soil becomes poorer in these nutrients, it loses its fertility and the productivity of the soil declines. Therefore, in this module 5, we will study about the importance to replenish or to make up the loss of these nutrients in the soil. We will study about the various methods of replenishment of nutrients in the soil, like by using fertilizers, by using manure or compost, or by practicing crop rotation methods. Plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil for their growth and development. Plants can absorb only those mineral nutrients from the soil which are soluble in water. So their amounts in the soil keep on decreasing. Therefore, these nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil for the healthy growth of the plants. So, this can be done by one or more of the following methods. The first method is by applying fertilizers. Soil nutrients can be replenished by using fertilizers. These are the chemicals containing specific nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, which forms the essential nutrients for plant growth. These nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. Another method to replenish the soil is by adding manure and compost. Compost is the organic waste made by the decomposition of biodegradable waste such as plant and animal waste by the microorganisms. It is added in the soil to make up for the loss of nutrients, add humus to the soil, and enhances soil fertility. Another method is to practice crop rotation. The practice of sowing a cereal crop alternately with a leguminous crop is called crop rotation. The leguminous plants have Rhizobium bacteria in their roots, which are capable to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into soluble nitrates, which can be easily absorbed by the plants. Rhizobium bacteria generally lives in the roots of plants like peas, beans, grams, etc. Thus, growing leguminous plant increases the amount of nitrates in the soil, making it more fertile. Thus, farmers often do not need to add fertilizers while growing leguminous crops alternately with other crops. With this, we end up the session of chapter Nutrition in Plants. Thank you. Have a nice day.